Canceling transactions on Wells Fargo is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Log in to Wells Fargo online banking and navigate to the account activity section. Find the pending transaction and click on the cancel option. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app and log in. Go to the account activity section and locate the pending transaction. Tap on the cancel option. After completing the cancellation process, review your transaction history or activity to ensure that the transaction has been successfully canceled. If you cannot find a cancellation option online, or if you encounter any issues, it's advisable to contact Wells Fargo customer support for guidance. They can provide specific assistance based on your account type and the type of transaction you are attempting to cancel. Call Wells Fargo customer service at 1-800-869-3557 and inform the representative about the transaction you want to cancel.